Hello friends, welcome back to Cooking Stories. Today we are going to prepare an easy and tasty snack, Aloo Cutlet, which is loved by all, especially kids. In a bowl, add a quarter cup of Maida. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Now slowly add a quarter cup of water little by little to get a water-like consistency. In a separate bowl, add 4 small boiled potatoes mashed nicely, half cup of finely chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of grated carrot, around 3 chopped green chillies, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, half teaspoon garlic paste, around 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, half teaspoon turmeric powder, a quarter teaspoon of Garam Masala, quarter teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1¼ teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon of Jeera powder and a quarter teaspoon of Aamchur powder. Now we will mix all the ingredients nicely and make sure to mash all the potatoes properly. Now take a small portion of the mix and shape them into a ball, flatten them and stick up the cracked edges. Similarly, do this for the whole aloo mixture. It is good if you apply little bit oil to your palms before making flat balls so that the aloo mix does not get stick to your hands. For frying our cutlets, add oil to a kadhai or a pan and heat it on medium flame. Once oil is hot enough, dip the cutlet into Maida batter and coat it with breadcrumbs on all sides. Now gently place it into oil and do this for rest of the cutlets. Fry this on a medium heat. Do not disturb them until the base turns firm and golden. Flip it gently and fry on both sides till it turns brown and crisp. Once done, finally take them out to a tissue to absorb any excess oil. Serve it hot with some tomato ketchup and enjoy it as your evening snack. If you enjoyed watching our videos, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for our future videos.